like this one, but you choose your thickness, the thickness that suits you. For instance, I like these sizes. Some people like this size, this one here, as thick as this one. But myself, I like this size. So I just do this. Yeah, I just chew it. I'm just trying to level.
And what is the name of that tree?
We call it mugarasi.
Okay.
Mugarasi. And as you are going to Mgarasi, you say I'm going to nakwenda ni Mgarasini. And some people say Gariseni might derive the name from this tree. But also Gariseni, there was an army garrison near the current station, police station here in Garsen town. There was an army garrison during the colonial eras. So also the name was derived from that army garrison.
So those are theories.
Yeah, there are two theories of the name Gariseni. One from this tree, Garasi, and the name Garrison.